Hey guys! Welcome back to i-clickads channel. Today's video is about unboxing, and a review of SOFITEC SGS-0202, a heavy-duty gas stove. If you need more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. If you have any questions, please leave us a message in the comments section, and we will get back to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. Let's dive into our unboxing video. Done with the unboxing part. Let's review the product features. The SOFITEC gas stove has two burners, high-quality fuel-efficient burner that is specially designed to assure optimum heat with minimum fuel consumption. It has durable metal gas ignition controls that automatically ignites gas over 30,000 times without using matches and batteries. SOFITEC SGS-0202 has extra large knob, easy to turn, makes igniting and extinguishing flame extremely simple. The sparkling stainless steel top, made of the finest stainless steel, absolutely rust-proof, and easy to clean. It has a variety of styles to choose from, plus many other features. What about the purchase information? You can order this product with exclusive discounts from online trusted merchants, delivered right at your doorstep. You can order this product online. Please check the link in the description box in this video to access the online seller and to be updated on the price. I hope the information in this video helps. Leave us a message in the comment section if you have any questions. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.